Hey guys, this is Second Gentleman. Today I will be comparing the Galaxy S10e, S10 and S10 Plus hands-on, and which is perfect phone to reach the buttons, the top notification panel, camera, and in general. First up, we have Galaxy S10e. The size and thickness are perfect on this device. You can reach to all of the buttons except moving your hand up a bit to reach the volume up button. With one hand, you can easily use your phone with no compromises. The bezels are not that noticeable in person, so that's a bonus. As for camera cutouts, I don't really mind. It doesn't disturb me much since it's a small hole and most of the time it is covered by night mode. The speakers are similar to Note 9 but loud yet soft. The performance is smooth, responsive, and no lags. No overheating issues as this is a moderate game, therefore less power is drawn. Expect a new video later with the PUBG stress test. Samsung Galaxy S10, same single camera cutout as S10e, however you get larger and thinner bezels on display. Galaxy S10 feels more premium, however it is hard to reach to all of the buttons including the power button. Unlike S10e, which is similar to Note 9 when it comes to button placement. The camera specs are exact same as Galaxy S10e, however S10 and S10 Plus adds an extra camera that offers telephoto with 12 megapixels. Finally, we have Samsung Galaxy S10 Plus, the second powerhouse after 5G variant. Looking at the camera cutout, it is quite disturbing. Pre-installed wallpapers does it best to hide those cameras. In addition, you have night mode. However, watching videos or playing games on it does not look that great. I would prefer a single hole like on the S10 and S10 Plus. The buttons are not easily reached like S10. All of these devices has almost the same features except difference in battery life. Unlike iPhone, XR variant has LCD display while iPhone XS has an AMOLED. Anyways, if you're looking for a decent phone with same powerhouse, more durability, and cheaper price, then go for Galaxy S10e. You won't regret it. However, if you're looking for a premium option, then go for Galaxy S10. That is my opinion after having my first impression and hands-on. Thanks for watching and peace out.